Hey there, I just want to make a quick video here for you guys who want to check the plan 4 or the locked plans. So any plans that are locked here, you want to check on the exact timestamp for when you can withdraw your funds. So the way you do it is go to the contract itself by clicking this button. Now you're on the contract, so I have an example here. A user just gave me his wallet address, so you want to go to the contract itself and then go for the contract tab. And once you click there, go for the read contract right there. Okay, so once you're on the read contract, you want to scroll all the way down to, for example, you can see that no dividends are available, and that is the only reason for that is because there's only one deposit on plan number 4 on this specific example. So how do I know that? Well, I just go for number 15 here. So you see get user total deposits, and then you can put in your wallet address query, and you see that there is, 15 is actually your total stake, how many deposits you have in total. But number 19 actually is the one that says how many deposits in total you have. That can be multiple deposits. For example, this specific user have just one. Me personally, for example, if I am, I have multiple right there. Okay, so if I'm checking my personal wallet as an example, right? So if I go here and query this, you see I have 22 deposits. Okay, so let me grab the other one again and add that back to number 19. And then query, and you see it's just one deposit, right? So what you want to do next is if you want to check your deposit when it's unlocked, now comes the real part is the number 21, where you can check that. And so how do you check that? You put in your wallet address there, and it starts with 0 actually as the index. So if you query, this is the details about the plan. So what do I mean with index? Here, for example, the first deposit is counted as number 0, right? This is 0. So let's do it one more time. So this is index 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this would be number 4. Okay, so on the user's part, there's only one deposit, so we need to check number 0 query, and you see the plan 3 is plan number 4, because also what you need to understand is that the calculation of the plans are a little bit different. So plan 1, 2, and 3 are actually starting with 0, 1, and 2 on the contract. So this is 1, 2, and 3, right? And then on this plan 4, 5, and 6, right, is actually 3, 4, and 5 on the smart contract, right? And that is equal to 4, 5, and 6. A little bit confusing, but that's how it is. So this is plan number 3. Plan number 3 is plan number 4 on the website, right? And then you see the profit, the start date, and the finish date. So the number that you want to check is this number here, and you want to go for time is Unix time converter. I will put in the link on the video, and then you copy and paste that into the field, and you notice that specifically for this user, the Unix time says it unlocks 23:47. My time right now is 22:20. Okay, so 22:20 is the current time, which means that this is 1 hour and 20 more minutes. Okay, so I hope that helps, and that's how you check on your unlock time.